Ang next stop ko ay Nazareth. Nagtanong-tanong lang ako sa mga taga doon kung ano yung sasakyan. Tapos sasabihin lang nila yung number. Buti na lang, tama naman at nakarating naman ako. Ang ginawa ko na lang ay tumingin ako ng accommodation sa internet, sa booking.com, para dumiretso na ako at saka makapagpahinga. So, meron dito and bago ako pumunta pala ng Israel, naganap ako ng ka-travel buddy sa Israel, and siya, nakilala ko si Stephanie from France, and magaling talaga siya mag-travel, and I'm blessed to have her kasi kahit pa paano mag-isa ako, nagkaroon ako ng kasama sa Israel. It's still a foreign place, and hindi rin madali mag-travel mag-isa, and first time ko yun mag-travel, and it's really a blessing to have her. And pinakita ko sa kanya tong place ko. Galing kasi siya ng Tel Aviv at titingin-tingin kami sa Nazareth. So, ito pala yung accommodation ko ng isang gabi. Ayan. Maganda na siya. Nasa may Nazareth at saka affordable yung price niya. Ito nga pala, nag-iikot na kami. Ayun, tumingin din ako sa tourist info para makakuha ng mapa. Namimigay sila dun eh. And dahil mahilig si Steph sa mga gusto niya mag-immerse sa lugar, ayun pala yung Church Annunciation Church. Nag-ikot muna kami sa neighborhood. So, ito yung paligid. And habang nadadaanan namin, yan, kasi mga limestone yung bahay. So, yun yung view sa neighborhood. Ngayon, start na naming puntahan yung Annunciation Church. Dito pala sa mga churches sa Nazareth, may 3 pa lang simbahan dito sa gated compound na ito. So, yung gitna, yan yung parang yung gitna ng church. Meron dyan altar. Ito nga pala yung mga portrayals ni Mama Mary mula sa iba't ibang bansa. Tapos din-display nila dyan. So, ganun kasikat si Mama Mary. Everybody knows Mama Mary. And you know Mama Mary, she's the earthly mother of Jesus Christ. Siya yung nagluwal kay Jesus dito sa earth. And yung binabanggit ko kanina, altar dyan is yung place kung saan si Angel Gabriel ay kinausap siya na yung sa prayer na blessed are you among women and blessed is the fruit of your womb, Jesus. which is by virgin birth. Ayan, dito ko mas nakita yung mga proof na nabuhay si Mama Mary, nabuhay si Papa Joseph. Siya kasi yung family ni Jesus.
Church, we're going to go into it in a moment. I'm going to have to lower my voice. There's 2 floors to it, 2 levels. The lower level.
So we were just trying to understand, discover things. Ito pala sculpture to ni Mama Mary at saka Joseph. And then ito pala yung house of Joseph. Yung pala yung alley. So, yung house of Joseph, ginawa ng church kasi worship place na rin kasi siya. Then, ginawa ng church. Ayan. It's called the house of Joseph. So, makikita natin mamaya yung itsura ng lugar. The Church of Joseph was designed by Brother Wendelin Henterkeurer in 1911 after death in a style which imitates a medieval church and is built upon the remains of a Crusader church, 12th century after death, parts of which can still be seen in the lower walks, particularly of the western facade and main gate. The holy memory is suggested by the popular tradition of St. Joseph Workshop that the Franciscan found of the site in 17th century. There is also the word about. So, basahin nyo na lang, balikan nyo na lang. And ito, may mga nagbibigay ng prayers. Okay, dito, of the family of the Lord, there were still living the grandchildren we said to have been the Lord's brother according to the flesh. They belong to the family of David, and they brought to the emperor Domitian by the Evocatus for Domitian. Okay. Then they show their hands exhibiting the hardness of their bodies. Callousness produced upon their hands by continuous fail as evidence of their labor. So, yung mga relatives ni Jesus. So, yung other accounts regarding their existence and angelic, sabi dito, the answer that it was not corporal nor an earthly kingdom but a heavenly and angelic one, which appear at the end of the world when he should come in glory to judge the living and the dead. Ayan, ito na, pumasok kami, yung worship place, ginawa na nilang church, yung bahay ni Joseph. And makikita mo na malaki yung bahay ni Papa Joseph. Kasi nag-start sila ng family ni Mama Mary. At yun ngang tawag dito sa family ni Mama Mary and Joseph is the nourishment of the childhood of Jesus. Kasi kailangan din ni Jesus ng father and earthly mother figure. So, na-amaze ako. Sabi nga pala nila, dito ka daw maganda mag-pray ng husband. So, na-amaze din ako sa yung plan ni God. Hindi lang basta nilabas si Jesus sa earth, pero gusto niya may tumatayong magulang. So yun yung essence ng family sa mundo, sa bawat tao, na kahit God si Jesus, dumaan siya doon kasi yun yung pinaka-ideal na buhay sa mundo, buhay ng isang bata. So ito pala yung sanctuary architectonical complex of St. Joseph. So yung yung church sa taas, then yung crypt, nakapunta kami dyan, medyo bumaba kami, tapos meron palang grotto. Hindi na kami nakarating ng grotto, basta may gate na kasi doon. So exclusive na yun sa mga pwede lang makapasok. So pinakita ko rin yung siguro yung basement nila. Sila, basahin nyo na lang para maintindihan nyo kung para saan to. Basta nakalagay to doon sa house ni ni Papa Joseph. So ayun, tingin ko yan yung papunta sa basement. Nilalagyan din nila ng pera, ng prayers. Tapos lumabas kami. Ito yung statue na ginawa nila. Ito si Papa Joseph. Yan, Papa siya. And then dito rin yung parang explanation kung paano si Angel sinabihan si Mama Mary na bakit siya mabubuntis. Di naman siya nakikipagrelasyon sexual sa lalaki. Sabi, ang Holy Spirit ang maglalagay sa tiyan niya. So, noon pa lang, Holy Spirit can make miracles. And dito naman yung ayun. Ito yung Annunciation Church. Pa-picture ako sa labas. So, may tatlo pala. Iyan, may simbahan dyan sa loob. Ayan. Doon sa isang simbahan pumasok kami. So, may essence talaga ang mga simbahan. And because of the miracles and because of Jesus. Ayan. So, pumasok kami. The churches are just like other churches in the Philippines, pero dito makikita mo na yung mismong church, dun yung kinalalagyan, yung parang may historical meaning, biblical meaning, kasi Israeli yan yung nakasulat sa Bible. So, tapos na muna kami, nag-ikot-ikot kami, nakita kami ng cute cat.
Hi!
Sobrang cute, nasa kalsada lang.
Oh, 'di ba? Maganda siya. Hi! Tingin din dito. Oh. 'Di ba maganda? Really soft. Yeah, very nice. I think it's a cute cat. Hello. Oh, can I take him with me? In my suitcase. Can I take you? With will. He says with will. I'm beautiful.
What does it mean?
I'm sexy. With will.
Do you speak?
Hello? Say hello. With will. Hi. Hi. Hi, African parrot. Hi. Oh? That's a cell phone. Oh. Hi. Say hi.
Yes, while going
Hello.
around, yun,
Good morning.
may mga nakikita kami sa paligid
evening.
namin, and magkukwentuhan
Hello,
kami ni
Jesus.
Steph. And
Nice.
ito nga, nakarating kami sa Mary's Well.
So she's for the people of Nazareth.
Wala, masaya lang kami na nakita namin yung kung ano yung nasa Bible.
According to
Meron
Greek
pala
Orthodox,
talagang
this is the actual site where the
accounts
angel Gabriel appeared in front of
somewhere
Mary
in
and
this
announced
part
to
of
her
the
that she
world.
would give birth to Jesus.
So, some discoveries namin tungkol sa Mary's Well, medyo natuyo na daw ito kasi malapit sa kalsada.
So that's Mary's Well.
But, hindi pala talaga yan yung Mary's Well. Kasi yung Mary's Well, may nakatayo ng church. And yan yung public well kasi pala. And see you next video. Ipapakita ko sa inyo yung totoong